At a distance of 150 million light-years from Earth lies an abyss even more terrifying than a black hole, spanning 400 million light-years in width and possessing a mass tens of thousands of times that of the Milky Way. This mysterious force exerts immense energy and gravitational pull, strong enough to draw millions of galaxies toward it. Scientists have named it the Great Attractor. Just how terrifying is such an existence? In 1988, an international astronomical research team conducted a survey of 400 nearby elliptical galaxies. Their analysis revealed that the Milky Way, along with millions of neighboring galaxies, is moving toward a gravitational source in the direction of the Centaurus constellation at a speed of 800 kilometers per second. Over subsequent years, scientists identified the core of this region as the Norma cluster, Abel 3627. However, observations have been challenging due to an obstruction along the galactic plane, an area dense with interstellar matter that blocks optical observations. This obstruction has made it impossible to study the region's details with conventional methods. Fortunately, advancements in X-ray and radio wave technology enabled scientists to bypass the dust and gas, unveiling the true nature of this anomalous region, hidden from human view since the beginning of the universe. These observations have revealed startling insights into cosmic superstructures. Scientists initially misunderstood superclusters. Instead of being merely large groups of galaxies clustered together, superclusters are dynamic structures where all galaxies within a specific region move toward a common focal point. Our own Earth is no exception, as it orbits the Sun, which in turn orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way, spanning 100,000 light-years, revolves around the local group of galaxies, a structure 10 million light-years across. The local group itself revolves around the Virgo supercluster, which has a diameter exceeding 65 million light-years. This hierarchy of motion reveals the intricate layers of the cosmic web, where smaller galaxies merge into larger structures, ultimately forming massive superclusters. The Virgo supercluster is not an isolated system. Instead, it is part of the Laniakea supercluster, a vast structure that encompasses the Great Attractor at its core. From this perspective, the Great Attractor may not be a single object, but a region where matter converges due to its immense gravitational pull. Currently, Earth is moving toward the Great Attractor at a speed of 627 kilometers per second, a phenomenon driven by gravitational anomalies rather than expansion. Nearby, scientists have discovered several large black holes. Some speculate that the Great Attractor might be a precursor to a black hole, possibly evolving into one over time. However, humanity may never reach this legendary region. Under the influence of dark energy, even the Milky Way will eventually disintegrate. Stars and planets will be torn apart, and even atomic particles will break down. This is the ultimate fate of the universe, the Big Rip.